Make money blogging. I make money blogging, and apparently when I told you guys I make money blogging, y'all was like, today I am doing a highly requested video or podcast episode, wherever you're listening, sharing how I have a profitable blog, some ways I make money with my blog, and some tips if you are looking to create a money-making blog. So grab your pen, grab your notebook, because I'm dropping some gems in this video. All right, let's get into it. But before I start dropping gems, make sure you download my Profitable Passion bundle. Inside the bundle, it includes a YouTube guide, it includes a blogging checklist, it includes a content ideas guide, it includes a lot of stuff inside of it, and it is free for you to download. Just click the link up above or go to breonnaqueen.com/freebie. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. There are so many ways you can make money with your blog. It's endless. So I'm going to be sharing some ways you can make money with your blog, some tried and true, tested, sis collected the coins these ways. So the first way, and this is the most popular and common way, is with display ads. So what exactly are display ads? Display ads are those ads that pop up and show on blog posts. I know they're kind of annoying, but they do help you make money. So I actually have display ads on my blog posts, and they bring in a good decent chunk of change. The way it works is when someone visits your blog post and they see the ad appears on the page, you make money. So if you have a lot of page views, you can make great money with ads, because the more people who see the ad, the more revenue you will make. Now, the biggest pro I think of using display ads on your blog is it can be a form of passive income, especially for me, because I have blog posts that are ranking on Google #1, and I have not really updated those blog posts in years, and yet because it's ranking #1 on Google, when someone Googles the search term, they find my blog post, they read it, and I collect income because my blog post displays ads. I think the biggest pro of ads is that it can be a source of passive income, especially if you have a lot of people who come to your blog. There are definitely some cons to display ads, and I think the biggest con is ads are annoying. Nobody likes to be bombarded with ads. I personally don't like ads all over the page either. I hate it. People have pop-up, people have ad blockers. They have all those things because ads are so annoying. So if you have a blog and you do have display ads on your blog, know that one, people are not gonna like it, and it may deter people from coming back to your blog. So that's probably the biggest con, is that it takes away from the user experience, especially when you have pop-up ads. So for example, with me, I do have pop-up ads on my blog. It was one of those things where I was like, you know what, I get enough page views to where I'm gonna just have ads on my blog to make some passive income. So it was something that I had to say, you know what, okay, I am okay with taking a little bit away from the user experience. So that's something that I will say is a con to display ads on your blog, is that it's ugly and it can take away from the user experience of your website. Another kind of display ads on your website is, honestly, you'll really only make money when you have a large amount of page views. If you have a small blog where you only get 1,000 views per month, I don't even think it's gonna be worth it. I think you have to have at least, at the bare minimum, 10,000 page views a month to make decent money. When I say decent, I'm talking about $25, $30 a month. So not even that much, but it's enough to pay for the domain hosting, right? So I do say, if you choose to have display ads on your blog, that really focus on, one, do I have enough page views? Do I have enough visitors? Do I have enough traffic on my blog to actually generate decent income with these ads? And then two, really think about, am I okay taking away from the user experience with having ads on my website? Because ads can take away from the user experience. Some people don't care. People are used to seeing ads on the website. I know a lot of people are, but that's just one thing you really want to think about. When it comes to having ads on your website, do not just, listen to me when I say this, don't use Google AdSense. Google AdSense is the most popular ad network, because you can put Google AdSense on your blog no matter how small your blog may be. And it's very simple to do. You just, especially if you have a WordPress website, a WordPress blog, you just find the Google AdSense plugin, download that, and then you will have ads on your website. So Google AdSense is probably the most popular one to put on your website as far as ad networks go, but it's also the one where you don't make very much money. Like, you literally make pennies using Google AdSense on your blog. And another thing about Google AdSense is that their ads are not really that great. So you get like those ugly ads, those very like low quality ads with Google AdSense. So that is probably the most popular ad network, and the one I do not recommend using. And then there are other ad networks such as Mediavine, AdThrive, Cafe Media, and then the one I use for my blog, which is She Media. So these are ad networks where they do pay you more money for ads, and then additionally you tend to get higher quality type of ads. So if you want to use ads to make money for your blog, I definitely recommend applying for some ad networks, because ad networks are going to pay you a little more, and they're also going to have higher quality ads. So with Google AdSense, you may have 10,000 views and only make $4, whereas, you know, using She Media or, you know, Media Cafe or something of that sort, you may make $30. And the reason for that is because of CPM, which is cost per thousand. I know CPM doesn't cost per million, but it's cost per thousand. So with Google AdSense, you may make 4 pennies for every 1,000 views. Whereas with another ad network, a premium ad network, you may make 25 cents, 35 cents for every 1,000 views. So you can make more money. But here's the thing, in order to be approved for these premium ad networks, most of them do have a threshold. Most of them say you have to have at least 10,000 page views, 50,000 page views, 100,000 page views. You must have a minimal amount of page views every single month in order to be approved for these premium ad networks. So that's why I say display ads are probably one of the most popular ways to make money with your blog, but for the most part, you have to have a lot of traffic coming in, or a decent amount of traffic coming in, for you to make money with display ads. Which leads me into another way you can make money with your blogs, and it doesn't require a large amount of page views. It doesn't require a large audience, and that's with digital products. You can sell your digital products leveraging your blog. So let's say you have a blog and it's all about healthy eating, and you share, like, you know, different recipes on your blog. You can also market your recipe book. Let's say you have a beauty blog where you share all things beauty. You can also on that blog sell your cosmetics line, or you can sell your beauty course or your beauty ebook. You can also leverage your blog to sell your digital products. And again, you do not need a large audience to make good money with digital products. You can most definitely sell your $1,000 course on your blog, and you only need 10 people to buy it to make 10K. And if you are within a really popular niche, or a niche that's very, you know, untapped into, you can definitely leverage that to make money with digital products. And digital products can again be ebooks, courses, guides, printables, planners. It can be anything that can be digitally sent. So digital products are a great way to make money with your blog. If you are starting off, I think leveraging digital products is a great way to start bringing in some money for your blog. Another way you can make money with your blog is with affiliate marketing. Now, I'm always talking about affiliate marketing. I even have a video all about affiliate marketing and how to do it, how to use it, how to apply, pros, cons, all about it. But affiliate marketing is another way you can make money with your blog. And I want to say it's great for medium-sized blogs. So you don't want to have a very, very small blog with very little traffic, because you may not get enough traffic. People actually click on those affiliate links and purchase your item. However, you know, a medium-sized blog, I think you can really start using affiliate links. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically when you recommend a service or a product and you make a commission of that sale. So let's say you have a finance blog and it's all about how to save money. And within your blog post, you say, you know, one way I save money is I use Ebates. And then you provide a link saying, you know, click here to sign up for Ebates. If somebody clicks on that link, you make $25 from that sign up. And let me tell you now, Ebates has a very great referral program, because whenever somebody signs up for your program using Ebates, you get $25 back in cash. So you can literally leverage stuff like that to make money with your blog. So if you have a blog post that's all about 10 ways you save money, and then somebody clicks and signs up for Ebates, you made $25 just off that person from them going to your blog. So again, it's a passive income stream, and it does not require a large amount of page views and stuff of that nature, but you can still generate some income using affiliate links. And there are all types of programs for affiliate marketing. Again, reference my video or listen to this via podcast. Listen to the affiliate marketing podcast episode where I really go more in depth on affiliate marketing, but you can literally use affiliate marketing to sell products, services, clothes, makeup, pretty much anything. Like, no matter what niche you're in, you probably can leverage affiliate marketing some way, somehow, to diversify your income. Another way you can leverage your blog to make money is with sponsorships. Now again, because you guys know I stay giving y'all the tea, I have another video on how to work with brands and how to pitch to brands. Definitely reference that if you want to start working with brands and getting paid sponsorships. But you can also have sponsorships for your blog. I personally work with some pretty big brands and really, being sponsored on my blog. So the great thing about sponsorships is that a company pays you to review their product, review their service, talk about their product, talk about their service, and they will pay you a certain amount of money. Now, generally for sponsored blog posts, they like for you to have a decent amount of blog traffic. However, if you have a very niched audience, you can also really leverage that, even if you have a small blog, to really make money. When I say small blog, I'm really just talking about page views, like a small amount of page views. And I think anything under 10K is considered a smaller blog, and then anything from 20 to 50K, in my opinion, is like a medium size, and then anything 50,000 plus as far as page views monthly, I consider that to be a larger blog. And that's just my personal opinion. So with sponsorships, if you have a very popular blog, you can definitely make great money. And the great thing about blogs is that blogs have a very long shelf life. So with the Instagram post, people are gonna see the Instagram post for 3 days. With Facebook, people are gonna see that Facebook post 5 days max. YouTube has an amazing shelf life. So you can literally have a sponsored YouTube video. People will be able to reference that video days, months, weeks, years later. And the same thing for blog posts. People can reference blog posts days, months, weeks, years later. So if you are a YouTuber and you're having a sponsored YouTube post, I highly recommend trying to negotiate and say, hey, I also have a blog, an active blog, pay me this much more money, and I'll also include a blog post with this YouTube video. And I'm going to show you guys in a little bit how I leverage my blog with YouTube to really increase and skyrocket my income. But back to sponsorships, working with brands, having brands pay you to review their product, talk about their product, stuff of that nature. It's a really good way to leverage your blog to make money. Another way you can make money with your blog is with services. So let's say you have a blog and it's all about fitness. You can leverage that blog to sell your personal training services. Maybe you have a virtual personal training sessions and you can leverage that on your blog. You can share, 10 ways to burn 500 calories. And then you can say, click here to sign up for a virtual workout with me. So you can leverage your services. Maybe you're an accountant. Maybe you're a financial advisor. You can have a blog all about finance and money, and people can hire you if they want more in-depth guidance. And the great thing about services is you don't need a large audience to make money. So you only need a few people to go to your blog and purchase your service for you to make great money. So that's the great thing about digital products and services. Depending upon how much you price your offer, you can make great money even with a very small audience. So services are a great way for you to make money with your blog, which leads me into one more way that I think is a great way, and that's with physical products. So let's say you have a lipstick line, right? You can have a blog that's all about beauty. You could do a blog post that reviews, Maybelline's lipstick versus your lipstick. Or you can have a blog post that's in depth how to apply lipstick for beginners. And then at the end of the blog post, or even in the middle or beginning, you can say, the lipstick I'm using is a lipstick from my line, and then linking to your physical product, which is your lipstick. You can make money that way, selling your physical products by referencing your blog. Another way you can make money with a blog, which I didn't even realize you could do this up until this year, is you can be a blog flipper. So you can start blogs, really grow them and then sell them. That's another way you can make money leveraging blogs, literally creating blogs, writing articles, getting people to go to these blogs, and then selling them to other people. My friend Chelsea over at her paper route, she's all about flipping blogs. I highly recommend referencing her if you're thinking about creating blogs that you can flip. She makes over $100,000 a year simply by flipping blogs. There's another way you can leverage blogs to make money. So ways you can make money with your blog, which are my favorite ways: affiliate marketing, digital products, display ads, sponsorships, services, and then physical products if you have them. You can also make money other ways like donations and stuff of that nature. So really there's so many different ways you can make money with your blog, and you do not need a lot of people visiting your blog to make income. So now I'm going to share some of my biggest tips if you want to have a money-making blog, because blogging is profitable, but it requires a blogging strategy. My first tip when it comes to creating a money-making blog is you must solve problems. Gone are the days of creating Dear Diary blog posts. What do I mean by that? So creating blog posts is just like, Dear Diary, my day was so sad. No, like that's not going to work. So that blog post could be sharing all about how to apply press-on nails. That blog post could be explaining something, but blog posts must solve a problem. Dear Diary blog posts, nobody really cares how your day was. I'm gonna be honest. Unless you're Beyonce, nobody cares if you had a bad day. Blog posts should really aim to solve a problem. Whether you're helping somebody save money, whether you're helping somebody feel better, lose weight, whether you're helping a mom, navigate motherhood as a new mom, like really focusing on solving a problem. That's the first thing, the first tip I give anyone who wants to make a money-making blog is your blog post should absolutely solve a problem. Number 2, if you want a money-making blog, really focus on SEO. And SEO stands for search engine optimization. Now, I can't even do a video on SEO because there's so much that goes into it. There are literally SEO YouTube channels that literally go in depth to all the different things about SEO. But SEO basically just helps all the search engines, mostly Google, to find your post. Because here's the thing, you really want your blog post to rank on Google or Pinterest. I find Pinterest and Google are the best ways to generate increased traffic to your blog. So really focusing on optimizing your blog posts so they can be easily searched for Google and easily ranked on Google, and then as well for Pinterest. You want to make sure you're optimizing your blog posts so that people find the blog post on Pinterest, and you have to actually market it on Pinterest as well. But being able to market it on Pinterest and people actually discover it, and then when they click on it, they actually read it. So also really focusing on SEO and Pinterest marketing for your blog. So again, I do have a free Profitable Passion bundle, and inside this bundle I do have a blogging checklist. So go ahead and download that at BreonnaQueen.com/freebie. If anybody tells you blogging is dead or blogging is not profitable, they are most definitely lying. So I'll talk to you guys in my very next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and of course, stay safe. Bye guys.